Easy, easy, easy. It's a glass door.
I can see that.
Can you?
Wow, it is hot in here. I gotta sit down. My back is killing me.
Wow, it's like a sauna in here.
What's up with these sunrooms?
Just give me a second.
This sunroom is a mess.
Agreed.
And Alexandra really wants to be able to use it. So, of course, let's get rid of these wasps, put in new glass, new floor.
But hold on. The city is going to tell us what happens with the sunroom, Jill. It may not be the code.
So Kenny's meeting sunroom specialists James and Gary to determine the impact on Jill's design and the budget.
You can do a new front wall, 3 casement windows right in the front, extend everything out, get rid of the railings, put a new roof on there, and extend that right back to the existing roof. Basically make this new.
Okay, so the biggest issue with Jill's design is that I got a set of French doors here. When the doors open out, they're going to hit the overhang here. And what can we do?
The overhang's in the way, we can just cut it back right to the wall and then lift the roof up so you have the clearance for the French door.
All right, well, if you guys can send us a quote and break it down, and I'll have to discuss with Jill and how far she wants to go with this thing.
Yep, we can do that.
I think when you see what can be done with this space, you're gonna absolutely love it. I mean, it's gonna be a huge transformation to your living space.
After much deliberation and a trip to the bank, it's go time for the new sunrooms.
Alexandra and Vincent, your new and improved sunroom.
Wow. Holy.
This looks great.
Wow. This is a really nice, cute space.
This is gorgeous, and I really love the vibe as you come out here, like the beach house feel.
I know this was a stretch financially, but it was totally worth it.
I feel like now we can actually use it.
Yeah.
And there's, oh, you know what? There's no wasps.
Oh, yes, we removed the waspness. I hope that's okay. It's going to stay really nice and cool in the summer, and it's going to stay warm in the winter because underneath this beautiful hexagon flooring, we've got in-floor heating.
I love this tile, too.
Isn't that nice?
This is a really beautiful space. I really like it.
I just feel drawn out into the view.
It is so much more than I even imagined it would be.